Here's a wonderful mushroom if you can ever find one. It's called a red belted polypore. Highly distinguishable because of the red belt that occurs here. It's one of the first mushrooms I was able to identify. Its properties are amazing. It's anti-tumor, anti-carcinogenic, immunomodulating, fights viruses and bacteria. And one way you can get all the goodness out of it is by chopping it up into pieces and boiling it in tea. I have some for that. And the substrate, the stuff that it's growing on, is an old spruce tree. And that's typically where I find them, in this area of eastern Canada. The red belted polypore. Now you can see the polypore name comes from these little hole-like things underneath. It looks really nice. Kind of fresh looking on the bottom, a little hard looking or older on the top, but that could still be usable. Worth knowing. Red belted polypore.